In this next section we see some proper batch production, with a number of similar drawers being created to fit the various chest and wardrobe carcasses that are made in the factory. The joint that's traditionally used for a drawer front is the dovetail. Although this is a very strong joint, it's difficult to make by hand, and an exact machine-made copy is not really possible. So a version has been invented which looks the same from the outside, is nearly as strong, yet can easily be mass-produced by machinery. Firstly, the wood for the sides and front of a drawer are clamped into the dovetailing machine, and matching pairs are shaped at the same time to ensure a good fit. Inside the machine there's a row of dovetail cutters like this. The machine moves both the spinning cutters and the wood in a pattern that shapes these rounded versions of a dovetail. Once a batch of drawer parts have been machined, they are glued and clamped together using an air-assisted jig, while the bottom and back are fitted. Many cheaply made drawers use only a thin plywood base, but here thick pieces of tongued and grooved wood are used for maximum rigidity. Even now there may be some individual shaping of the last piece at the bottom for a perfect fit. After the sets of drawers have been assembled, they are hand-fitted to their carcasses. Each opening is measured and the size entered on this parallel belt sander. The drawer width is then reduced accordingly and checked for a good fit. The gaps around the drawers are set to a fairly loose 2 to 3 mm, again to allow for movement and shrinkage in the timber. Bottoms are sanded on a horizontal belt, and again much operator checking and evaluation is needed. Final touches may even be necessary using a small hand plane. Then the chest is ready for the spray booth. Once the furniture